Better. This is the 2023 Ford Wildtrak pickup. I'm considering this as well. After driving the SUVs and driving the pickups, I still like the pickup. I don't have to have the SUV because I noticed that inside there's plenty of room. Even when it's set for me to drive it, I just took it out for a drive. It drives very well. Lots of leg room for me, and even set up for me, it leaves plenty of room still in the back seat where Jai sat behind me and was still comfortable. Now for GPS, it connects to your phone. It doesn't have built-in GPS navigation, which is fine. As long as it connects to the phone, we still have the ability to use the GPS. Now this is the seat space behind me after I was driving. So okay for women. It's not really, well, even men if they're not tall. This is not really made the back seat for tall people, but I'm not gonna ride in the back. Now a friend of Tom's, Thailand Digital Nomad, was here yesterday, and he had this pickup, only black, same thing. And on the back of his, he had an automatic remote control tonneau cover. So it's like 45,000 baht, I believe, to add to the cost of this. That's definitely something we would do. If we had that along with the comfort of the pickup, I like pickups, then we're much better off because you can lock everything in the bed and it'll still stay dry and clean when you're traveling. And we have the room still inside that we can haul 6 people, which we're not going to ever do. I mean, we might have 4 at the most. So I'm considering this now. Good possibility. Yeah, the Wildtrak package. And it's 1.1 million baht. Leather. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. This is Bobby and Jai. Time to get going. Out.